Hello and welcome to the Supply Chain Umbrella module under the Procurement from A to Z course for beginners, where we discuss real-life examples and best practices and case studies under the supply chain umbrella. Now, in this part, we explain the supply chain in the broad concept for you to understand the high level of the supply chain and where does the procurement fit in the supply chain, and what is your role as a procurement professional to manage and maintain the most effective and efficient way running your operation, and what is the added value for you as a procurement knowing the complete supply chain from A to Z to ensure the delivery of materials at the right time to the right place. So this includes starting from having the raw materials, going to the supplier, and then get to the manufacturing, then using the logistics to deliver these items to your warehouse or to your retail stores until the product is delivered to your end customer. So in this module, we will talk about the supply chain umbrella, the supply chain definition, and why is it crucial for you as a procurement professional to understand the supply chain, the sourcing management, manufacturing management, logistic management, procurement management, and warehouse management. We will discuss the two types of supply chain modules, the vertical supply chain and the horizontal supply chain. And finally, we will have a summary of this module. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.